everyone! Welcome back to Ram's tutorial. If you are new here in my channel guys, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're updated on my latest videos. Today class, or my dear students, we're going to discuss about good morning class, good morning students, and good morning my dear viewers. Today we're going to discuss about reading CVCE words. When you say CVC means this is consonant, vowel, consonant. Blending of sounds. What is blending of sounds, my dear students? Blending of sound is that we're going to blend the sound of each beginning letter with the sound of at words to form a word. Okay? So blend that in order to form a word. We're going to write on the lines the words that will be formed. That is the power of consonant, vowel, consonant. A words. That is CVC words. This is very much important, especially guys, when your kids ages 3, 4 up. This is what you call a suitable topic for you, my dear students. Please watch my videos. For our odd family guys, okay, we are going to blend each letter we have here. Try to follow guys. And what are those each letter? We have V, R, P, B, C, F, H, M, S. For sounds, we have V sounds V, V. R sounds R. P sounds P. B sounds B, B. C sounds K, K. F sounds F, F. Something you are going to create what you call air. Next, H, something you feel tired. M, something like that. You have to close your mouth. That's letter M. S, just like the sound of a snake. That is our letter sounding or blending sound of each beginning letter by combining our at words. A and T. This is at words or at family class. Remember at family class, it helps us, okay, it plays an important role in creating what you call interesting words. Okay, please follow guys. We're going to create each word by reading the CVC words. Okay, how to read CVC words, please follow my dear students. Okay, here we go. We are going to follow here. We don't want to stop until we reach to at words. Have you seen guys? These are what you call a broken lines. These broken lines help your kids to what you call read it, and then you don't stop, my dear students or my dear viewers, until you reach at. Then we are going to write here in our 3 boxes. Each letter we're going to put it here in order that your child or your kids can read it. Okay, this is our what we call purpose for blending sound in order your children, your child or your kids or whatever it is, they can start now reading CVC words. That means to say 3-letter words. Okay, hope you follow, my dear students or my dear viewers. Let's start with letter V. Sounds V, V. Let's start. Vat. We have vat. What is vat, Chiram? A vat class, it's a type of what you call a big pail. Like that. Just like that. We have 2 handle. Okay? That is a vat. Next. R sounds R. R. Let's start class. Please follow. Rat. We have rat. Wow. That's, my dear students, how you read it. Vat, rat. CVC. Consonant. I'm going to write, my dear student. Consonant. Vowel. Consonant. Okay, that is CVC form, to make it clear, especially you, my dear viewers. Okay, let's start with letter P. What is the sound of letter P, my dear viewers? Charam. Okay, I'm going to teach you the sound of letter P. P, P, P. Please follow, guys. P. We are now in letter P. P. Pot. We have bat. A name of what you call a little boy. Okay. See, my dear students, from at family, we can create what you call an interesting words, an amazing words through these at words. Okay, that's creating 3-letter words, which is the help of consonant, vowel, consonant. Let's start. Let's present to letter V rather. Letter V, class. Please follow my dear students. B, b, but. We have an amazing words to create. A bat. Same words, remember, bat words is two quite confusing words because we have a bat. It is an instrument for, so for example, a baseball, like that, we use a baseball bat. We have also a bat, which refers to a flying mammals or flying animals. Next, letter C we have. What is the sounds of letter C, Charam? I knew that. C sounds is k, k, k. Please follow. K, k. Cat. We have a cat. Oh, my dear viewers, I have more cats here. I have 5 cats and 5 little kittens. Quite what you call cutie kittens. Next, what letter are we now? Letter F's. What is the sound of letter F? We have everybody, everybody, like that. You have to create air like that in order to perfectly pronouncing the letter F sound. Okay, please follow to your teacher. Here we go. We don't want to stop until we reach to afterwards. Okay, please follow, my dear students. Kids, please follow. Fat. Oh, sadly, fat. I like fat. A fat boy or a fat girl or a fat woman. I like that. Fat. Okay, what's such a nice word that we create from consonant, vowel, consonant. Next, letter H. What is the sound of letter H? Something we feel tired, guys. Like that. Everybody. Hot. Wow. We can create words that is hot. Wow. We need to use a brim hat, especially farmers, to protect their face from ultraviolet rays. Hot. Next, letter M. That's my surname, Militante. M. Morales. Mat. Wow, mat. This is a very useful what you call materials. We use this especially when we lie down, of course, protections for our body. It's a what you called a colorful mat. Next, letter S, my dear students. Please follow, guys, for our consonant, vowel, consonant tutorial or 3-letter word on how to read it, on how to create it by, of course, letter soundings, and we are going to follow our broken lines in order to read it. Kids, please listen. You, my dear viewers, S sounds just like that. Sat. We have sat words. We sat like what I'm doing today. I sat on my chair before I start discussing in front of you, my dear viewers. Again, let us read for our final work. Here we go. From bottom to top. Please follow, guys. We have here from consonant, vowel, consonant. We have sat, mat, hat, fat, cat, bat, pat, rat, vat. Those are from CVC words through at family, my dear viewers. Hope, my dear students, you learn a lot for our teaching tutorial today. Reading CVC words or blending sound and, of course, familiarizations of sound of each beginning letter with the sounds of at family or at to form a word. Hope, my dear students, if you have any questions regarding our topic, please don't hesitate to comment down below. I will do on what you call answer your questions, and I will discuss more further regarding your suggestions. If you are new here in my channel, my dear viewers, please don't hesitate to subscribe to Ram's tutorial blog. And see you guys to our next tutorial. God bless everyone. Stay safe, Philippines, and mabuhay!